I have a nice car. Oh, that's like praying. Zoomies. What's going on? Oh. I have a nice car. Oh, yes you do, apparently. It's fighting with its tail on falls. Oh. Cats are so interesting. Oh. What's that? Oh. Oh, he's having a spasm. Some kitty zoomies we got going on. Okay, on to the next one. Welcome back to a new episode of Laughing Tales, where we laugh at hilarious dogs and cats. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Comment your favorite video. Here we go. Oh, he's so tiny. Just going to the powder. He's like, I couldn't help myself. Oh, eggs. Oh, the eye roll's like, what do I do again? Oh, meow. Oh, little babies. Oh, he's just enjoying his food. Oh, he's like, let me out of here. Let me out. Oh, just was sleeping, and there it goes. Okay, on to the next one. Here we go with number 3. Oh, oh, loud snores. The dog's like, I get oh. They're dreaming. Oh, that one might actually, I hope he's not actually having a seizure when the nap hits a little too hard. Oh. Just against the ear. Oh, jeepers. Oh. That's laughing their sleep. Actually, never heard a dog laugh in their sleep. She's on off the couch. Will you let her fall off, really? Oh. Just like, what's going on? Okay, on to the next one. Here we go with number 4. Oh, my dog would just fly away. This one, wow, what a nice. Like, where are you going? What the heck? Just stands there. Dropping my leash, his reaction. Just what? What does that mean? My dog would just be flying down the road. Where are you going? Watch what happens when I drop the leash. Oh, that was sweet. None of them are like, oh, am I free? They're like, where are you going? What are you doing? Oh. It's like, oh, yeah, there you go. How dare you? That's funny. Okay, on to the next. Here we go. Oh, I am there. Oh, just jumps around. Aw. No. The dog's like, no. I swear huskies can talk. They are so dramatic. Oh. He's like, I'm gonna fit. Yeah, I'm the baby. Oh, here you go. Let's wake up all the neighbors. Could you imagine Husky with his piano? Okay, on to the last one. Here we go with the last one. Oh, just stands there. Oh, Jesus. Oh, no, that's her. Oh boy, that one was like an opera singer. Oh, that was mean. Oh, there we go. Just checking to see if she's still alive. Like, don't wake me up, I was sleeping. Oh wow, this one's really doing something. Oh. Oh, someone has itchy ears. Oh, just the gun. He's very proper, very elegant, and looking elegant. Like, of course I am. Oh, uh-oh. That's so funny. Okay, that's it for me.